nothing good.
Here's the brigade.
The whole
Hey, Frenchie.
Heasley brigade.
Chunky.
Chunky. Hi, Kira.
Hi.
Kira.
Hi.
Angel?
Spirit.
Put y'all back up.
Chunky, you didn't say hello? I heard Chunky bit up Jessica the other day. She said he... She's like, the little black one got me.
Yeah, she just kind of
I saw
a
you.
little bit right there kind of. He always going to take the waiters.
I love my pitbull kisses. Holly, all your friends are out. Everybody's here.
All your friends are here.
Guys, I can't get video of you if you're kissing me. I can't get it. Look at my guys. Look at this crew. Hi, Spirit. Hey. Chunk. Everybody's here.
We're all the best.
Hi, Spirit. Hi, girl. Hi, baby. I missed you. I was looking for you. Where's Queenie?
Where's the queen be?
There she is.
She's on her own throne.
What's up, Queenie? Oh, you got all your friends? All your friends? Bella, your friends are out. Everybody's here.
Yeah.
Come on.
Snuffy had me worried the other day. She just had that huge swelling on her rear end.
Yeah, and it went down after.
It's gone down.
Spirit, come on.
Angel, get out there.
Oh, you better watch your leg. Hi, Holly. Spirit.
I'm sure.
Oh, it doesn't slow
I love
down.
her. She's so beautiful.
It should.
Look at this crew. Everybody's here.
Look at Kira clean. Oh, she'll go over there and clean his ears. Hi, Snuffy.
You know pit bulls are vicious and you can't have them with other dogs.
I know.
Terrible, right? The Frenchies, yeah. Well, you got to be careful because that one big black Frenchie over there with the big head.
Yeah, he'll nibble your toes
So
off.
I'm worried about his chemical warfare.
Yeah, yeah, that too. Woo!
Look at you guys. Look at that.
Yeah. Hey.
They're playing.
Easy.
Carried away. You got a little.